You know, it just struck me today, after months of sharing recipes with you guys, that I haven't shared my super reliable recipe for lemon coriander grilled prawns. So I'm going to start with some fresh coriander leaves. This is just a small bunch. I'm going to chop up these leaves a little bit more finely and also the stems to make this marinade. The leaves go in. Just gather that up. If the coriander's in, it's time for the lemon. And I'm just going to peel this zest out of the lemon. So I've not wasted any of that zest. Got all of that into this mixer. Now I'm going to get the juice of the lemon as well. So now I'm just going to work and build on the flavors. I'm going to use about the equivalent of 3 to 4 cloves of garlic that have been minced and about an inch of freshly grated ginger. I just have it grated already. Chili flakes are a must in life. 1/4 teaspoon. Adding some coriander powder. I just like the flavor of sea salt when I'm working with seafood. So just a small pinch of this. A good grinding of fresh pepper. I'm going to add about a teaspoon of dried parsley leaves. You can use fresh parsley as well, but then use 2 teaspoons of that. About a tablespoon of olive oil. Okay, so now it's time to just blitz all of this together. Okay, so this is pretty much how I want it to be. So these are prawns that are deveined, peeled, all of that, but the tails have been left on. Okay, so now I'm just gonna toss these prawns with the marinade. It smells so good right now. I'm just gonna toss these prawns. But I would say that you should give this at least 30 minutes, completely covered, 30 minutes for marination time. If you've left it overnight, it's gonna taste awesome when you cook it. Just toss it well together. I finally managed to get these prawns wrapped up with cling film. Okay, so in 30 minutes now, we're ready to grill these prawns, but not before we put them on these skewer sticks. Clean hands, that's when you start going with this. And this is how you'll put them on the stick. You'll go tail to head and just slide it. And that one here. So now we're ready to grill these. I'm just going to brush my grilling pan with a little bit of oil and then get it to a searing heat and then just grill these off. And now all you need to do is get this pan to a smoking hot heat. So once the pan is smoking hot, just drop your skewers in. So this is fairly quick cooking. You'll see that it's done when the prawns start to curl up. I can see them turning opaque already, so I'm just going to turn the sides now. I have 4 on these, so maybe that one will take a little bit longer to cook. That one's cooking beautifully. If you don't have that grilling pan, a regular frying pan should do the job as well. This one looks done to me. Yeah, that's done. I'm going to get it off the pan. But that skewer's always touching the pan. That's done. That last little skewer is done as well. So whatever you do, you have to try this recipe, and when you do, leave us a comment telling us what you thought of it. See you guys, and of course, please subscribe to our channel. See ya! Bye!